Hi everybody, it's me. I'm back again with another eBay haul, and I thought I'd show you what I got. Now this is from the same person that I got the other things from, but this is fantastic. Only just come. So this is what it is. These are little caster wheels that go on, I don't know, a table or something. Little drawer handles. I'm going to show you because they're only tiny. Those, and they're just like breads, very tiny. So that's nice. They go on some chipboard or card or something. And what's that? That's some sort of draw pull. Two of those drawn up. Is that part of that? No, that's a door pull. That's nice. This one, it's got all the little fittings that go on it. So, this one is a bit worse for wear. It's a bit battered, but it still go on a like a steampunk type project to look good. Look at that. It's glass. Phew. That's a nice drop, isn't it? Another handle for something. It's sealed in a packet. It's brand new. I really didn't pay very much for this at all. Another glass one. Does that go on there? No. Is that? It could fit on something. Steampunky maybe. That. I don't know if that's a handle or what. But it's nice. One of those little, I call them door knocker draw pulls. Wooden one. Brass one. Lion's head one, brand new in the packet. Another one like that, it's similar sort of draw knocker type. Porcelain one with a rose on it, very shabby chic. Oh, some nuts and bolts to go with it. Another little draw pull. Another one. I like that one, I like the design on the top. It's very Tudor looking. This one. It's even got some green on that. Maybe it's been painted or something. It's nice. One of those. Another draw knocker. I like those. Oh, a Bakelite one. Don't see many of those around there, do you? And one of those ones, which I believe goes that way. It's like half shell, quart shell, and the fittings are in there. Or one of them. And then there's some more. Oh, two of those with the screws. those ones. Oh, two of those. That's like a lock keep with handle. Nice. Don't see those anymore. There's another one. Don't see those anymore. I've got two. Funny. One of those. I like all the patina on them. They're all different. That one. It's really nice. That is. Another one like that. Another one of those little flower ones. One of those. Oh, I think. Is there another part to that? Maybe not. Oh, that looks like. That reminds me of a toilet roll holder. It's a bit too small. That is cute. This is a fitting for something maybe like that. But there's only one. This came. I'm sure I can look something up though. And one of those. Didn't I see one of those before? Yes, I did. Two of those. There's some more screws. Look at that. So that's my little draw pull collection that I got from eBay. Very happy with it. Didn't cost very much. And there's quite a big selection there. So I'm quite happy with that. So I thought I'd share it with you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.